Hi guys, it's Serena, and today we're gonna explore where our cat is going. And welcome to Puggy's Rock. Her name is Sniffles. Sniffles. Come on. Sniffles, come on. Are you just pretending you're dead? Come on. Come on. Come on. Where's he trying to... Sniffles, come on. Let's go. And this is her favorite place, so we're gonna explore. What's in your foot? Come on. Very clean. Sniffles? You can see her, guys. Sniffles. Sniffles, Sniffles, Sniffles. Wait. Oh! Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, come on. Where are you gonna go? This way? Okay. Which way do you wanna go? Which way? Okay. She says this way. Okay. She likes this the most. Sniffles. This is her little playground. Okay, where do we go next? Sniffles? Or you wanna follow me? Let's go over here. Yeah, let's come on. Ah! You wanna give me my boot? Look. Come on, just get my boot. Okay, where do you wanna go? Here's her favorite second place. Dang up. Okay, what do you want? This is little climb walk. Over here is her home. They want to go back to your home? Come on. Let's go. Where do you want to go next? Here's her chair to sit down and take a shower. And a perfect pose. You want to go to your house? They want to see your house. She wants to follow me. Okay, you want to go in there? Okay, come on, let's go check out your house. Yay! Where do we go to your house? Come on, Snuffles. Oh, hi, Lily. I'm making a YouTube channel right now. We're exploring with Sniffles. And here's her home, guys. Sniffles, where do you want to go next? We already showed you. Here's, yeah, I followed her already. And she's following me. Here's her little hideout. Sometimes she hides in her house. Don't you? Okay. And Lily, there's a bee. There's a bee. Bee.
Where?
Oh, we fight. Oh well. Okay, and Lily, this is her little playground. She likes to hang out here, don't you? And she likes to catch some lizards and butterflies. So, let's zoom away. Look, boom. Oh, she looks away. Oh, that is Paul. Pause. I don't want to show you the paw. Oh, you want to show me the sprint. The paw, guys. Dude. Oh. Guys, your paws. Let's go. And guys, that's all for today. Say bye, sniffers. Bye. Bye. Okay. Bye.